Hello children. Children, in this video we'll be talking about selfless person. So, who are selfless? A person who thinks more about the needs and happiness of other people than about his or her own. So, we can think when we are talking about selfless person, we can think about Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, she has devoted her whole life for the service of for the homeless and poor people, and her heart was full of compassion for the needy persons. So, she was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1979, and she was recognized as a miracle worker. Now, another name which comes is Mahatma Gandhi. He was known for following the truth and non-violence. He worked for the upliftment of masses selflessly. He was also called Father of the Nation. He guided major political parties without any attachment to any political gain. So children, with this moral, that it's not about how much you do, but how much love you put into what you do, that counts. And a life not lived for others is not a life. These are the sayings of Mother Teresa. So, here I'm going to summarize a story of Bholu, a class 5 student. One day he was going to school, and on the way he saw the motorcyclist. He fell down on the road. He screamed for help and he ran towards the spot of accident. Bholu, he put his school bag aside and he tried to help motorcyclist, but the motorcyclist's head was heavily bleeding. So Bholu, he took out his handkerchief and covered the wound which was bleeding, but the handkerchief was small and the bleed was much. So he took out his shirt and he tied around his head, and he waited for some other vehicle which might be passing through so that he can ask for help. Suddenly he saw a car and he stopped the car for help. Bholu described all the matter to the car driver. Car driver was a very kind person. He took the motorcyclist to the hospital. As the motorcyclist's head was heavily bled, doctors told Bholu that they need to operate the motorcyclist, for which they require blood. Bholu was ready to donate his blood. But as he was underage, doctor said no, and then car driver, he donated his blood happily. In the meantime, the motorcyclist relatives, they reached to the hospital and they thanked Bholu and the car driver and offered some money reward, but they refused. Why? Because it's their duty. And Bholu and the car driver, they did a selfless service of the mankind. So children, always help others, help the needy. You should have that intention of helping others, always. It should reflect in your personality. See what Mother Teresa has given the message. If you judge the people, you have no time to love them. So, help others. That is the message. Thank you, children. Have a safe day.